Hi, thank you for watching this video. In my last video I used this famous poster to show how to spiral any rectangle. In this video I'm going to use it to show how spirals solve the four color problem, and I'm going to show how the metallic mean version can use either the negative or positive x value. Finally, I'm going to show how the infinite pattern can be tiled in a way that isn't a spiral. And that tiling relates to the four colors in a different kind of way. Here I'm making the four different colors. So last time I just repeated the same thing over and over again. This time I'm almost repeating the same thing, but it has different colors. Of course, we can easily think that we could add completely different text. So the only aspect that has to stay constant is the rectangle's ratio. But the contents can either be copies or different every time. Here I grab the metallic mean ratios, both the positive and negative. And I'm grabbing the negative value here. I ignore the negative aspect of it, but in the power, that's where I put the negative. So it still shrinks. For the second scale, I put it to the negative second power. And the same for the third scaling, the negative third power. As you can see here, because I rotated clockwise and I positioned the rectangles to the right, the crowns all point in the spiral's direction. Now to solve the four color problem, I don't repeat with the red one. I go back to the green one and put it to the second power. Doing the same for the blue. Now I take the red and put it to the sixth power. I do the same for the yellow. So the yellow goes to the sixth power as well. Now none of the same colors touch. And after two rotations, I can speed it up and repeat the entire process. putting it to the 8th power. As you can see, I've switched over to the positive x, which before I used the negative x. So both work, it just, the power has to then reflect either the positive or negative. As you can see, none of the colors touch. And I repeat the process one more time for good measure. Now I'm going to get rid of those so I can show you how to organize it. In the other way, that rather than heads towards the spiral vanishing point, it heads towards the diagonal edges vanishing point. Using this organization, I don't have to repeat it twice to meet the 4-color problem. And to do it one more time for good measure. I want to thank you for watching these videos. I hope you've found them enjoyable. More to come. So please think about subscribing. And also I have merch I've just started to make. Please think about buying it. Also, maybe if you've got some comments about how I can improve my merch, you can add them in this video's comment section. Thank you. Cheers.